What's your macro take on big tech right now? Is it played out?
Yeah, in my view, is this is just sort of a white knuckle period to what's in the midst of a broader multi-year rally for tech. I mean, to us, it's a doubling down on tech and our bull thesis here because we don't worry about some of the exogenous events or a 20-bit move in the 10-year. Instead, I focus on this digital transformation. It's a $2 trillion of spending over the next decade. That's why we've been telling our investors sort of pound the table moment. Still think 16,000 is our target for NASDAQ year end. And this is just what I view as a rest or a digestion period rather than the start of any sort of secular negative thesis for tech.
Okay, yeah, white knuckle period. Do you expect more of that ahead? I mean, could it be, historically, fourth quarter, Dan, is great for stocks. Could it be a little more of the same, you think, a little more volatility? Or does that DC debt deal kind of smooth things out a bit?
Yeah, I think right now it's a green light, bright green light to own tech. I think more than 10% plus going into year. And I think 3Q is going to be a major positive catalyst. Brian, I think the street's massively underestimating numbers for the next 12 to 18 months on tech. And the haters will continue to hate. They've hated the tech rally the last year and a half. But I view this as just the start of sort of the next leg as we go into what I view as sort of a growth frontier that's still massively underestimated for the street in terms of cloud, cybersecurity, big cap tech, specifically Apple, Microsoft.
Yeah. Let's talk Tesla annual meeting today. Sort of some sort of mystery comments. We expect nothing less from Elon Musk about maybe a new headquarters. They're going to be at their Gigafactory, which is not yet done in Austin, Texas. What are some expectations from the annual meeting today? Do you think they could say we're moving our headquarters to Texas?
Yeah, there's always going to be some fireworks when Musk is speaking. But I do think the big focus, it's not surprising that they're doing it at Austin. I think more and more of the strategic focus of Tesla domestically is coming out of Austin, not just the Cybertruck build out, but I see more and more cars being built out of Austin than Fremont over the next few years. So I think that they're going to announce sort of the opening of Berlin over the next month. That's key in terms of Europe and the bottleneck we're seeing, as well as what we're seeing in Austin, which should start to get online over the coming months. This is big because right now, Tesla doesn't have a demand issue. It's a supply issue. It's part of a green tidal wave, and I think there's going to be bullish comments coming out of Tesla today.